Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the database management system, which is called as RDBMS. Okay. RDBMS, which is nothing but a program which will be managing the database. Okay. Then database management system, there is a standard tool which is a RDBMS. What this tool does is, okay, what this tool does is, you can see here, this is the program used to create, update and manage the relational database. This tool does to manage the database for the standard way. It's a structural way. It's called as RDBMS. It's a relation type of the data. Okay, there is a relation. Okay, so each and every table has a relations. Okay, so that's all the relations should be managed by the RDBMS. Okay, so the definition is the RDBMS stands for a Relational Database Management System. It's a program used to create, update, and manage the relational databases. Okay, this is a program used to create and update and manage the relational databases. What are the relational databases are? MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle. These are the databases managed by the RDBMS. Okay, these are the databases managed by the RDBMS. Okay. So here you can see the entities. What are the entities? Entities, it is a student. Entity. So here you can see the RDBMS. There is a part entity. What's the entity? Entities are nothing but a tables. You all are called as a tables. The database as a table. But in RDBMS, they are telling that there is no table. The table we are called as an entity. Okay. So imagine if you have a student school management system. The school management system, there is a several tables: student, teachers, and principal, and payments, enrollment. There are several tables. The several tables we are called as entity. This is called as the student is one entity, teachers is another entity, enrollment is another entity, payment is another. These are the called as entities. That is called as entity. Okay. So student, the student, which is an entity. Okay, this each and every entity has attributes. Okay, each and every table has attributes. What are the attributes? The attributes are, what are the attributes? Student has id, student has a name, student has a age, student has a phone number. These are called as attributes. Each and every student has id. Without id you can't enrollment the course. Each and every student must have a name, age and phone number. These are called as attributes. Okay, so let's move into the program. Okay, now you can see here, you can see the entities. So here in this example you can see what are the entities. Student is a one entity, another course is another entity. What are the attributes of this diagram? What are the attributes? The student and course both are called as entity. Each and every entity as an attribute. The student has what are the attributes? Student number, student name, and course. These are the attributes having student. What are the attributes having courses? Course having course number, course name, and fee. These are the attributes having course. Isn't it? The course has different attributes, student has different attributes. What is the relationship? Student offer a course. Student offer a course. This is a relationship. Okay, simply understand. Okay, this is when you before you are uh, designing the database. This is must you have to understand. What is the entity? What is the attributes? Okay. Okay, here is the scenario: student and course. What are the entities of this diagram? Student and course are two entities. What are the attributes? Here first you have to type the student name, as these are the attributes. What are the course? These are the attributes. Here I have mentioned the attributes. Okay, relationship, student, offer, course, the simple relationship. Okay, so I haven't explain the ER diagram relationship many to one. Those I am going to explain later on. First, you have to understand the diagram clearly. This is very must. Okay. So after that, you have to go to the another example. Course and semester. Course taught semester. Okay. Imagine you are enrolled the course for BSc in IT. This course consists of 4 semesters. Okay, the 4 semester. So the semester one, semester two, semester three, semester four. Okay, the course which is a BSc, it has a 4 semester. The course taught by 4 semester. The BSc course taught by 4 semester. So what are the entities? Course and semester. Those are entity of this example. What are the attributes? Attributes. What are the attributes? This course has title, description, and code. This course semester has start date, end date, and semester date. These are the attributes. Okay, you have to understand the things where this is very must while you developing the database connection, databases. Okay, what are the entities? What are the attributes? Here, what is the relationship? Course taught semester. Course taught semester. Okay, so this is the basic of RDBMS. RDBMS includes entities, which is a which example entities and attributes. What are the entities? All the tables collection are called as entities. Attributes mean what are inside the entity. Student, what is inside? It's called as attributes. These are the attributes having a student. Okay, teacher, so teacher. Now you are the teacher and summers, all you are considered entities. Now you have a good understand what I said. Okay, so this is simple way to explain the databases. I hope you have understand the things clearly. I think you don't have any doubt on this. I will see in my next section. Thank you.